Navigate to the Instagram section and click on Comment
Automation. Now select a post and click on Settings, for which you'd like to turn on the automation. Click on Enable Auto Comment Reply and select Yes, as we're not going to use any template. Let's write down some offensive keyword which will be deleted if commented. Select Hide if you want those to be hidden. Turn on Auto Reply if a user comments multiple times. After that, you can select Yes if you'd like to hide comments after comment reply. Let's select Automated Reply by AI first. Write down a campaign name. Then, write down the AI data prompt based on which the AI will reply. Submit the template. Click on OK. Now let's see how it works. Type a comment. Reload the page. See, you got the AI reply on the comment you just made. Again, comment an abusive word that we entered earlier. Refresh the page. As you can see, the comment is no longer there and deleted. Now, let's find out how the generate reply works. Go to the settings option of the post again. Click on Edit Auto Comment Reply. Turn on the Generate Message for All option. Write down a campaign name. Then, write down the comment reply text. You can also mention the user or add a username. You can also select a pre-existing message template or create for a private reply. Save the template. Click OK. Let's check how it works. Type a comment on the post. Wait for a bit or reload the page. See, it has replied a generate message. Now, let's check out how the message can be replied by filtering words or sentence. Go to the post setting again and select the Send Message by filtering word or sentence option. You can select the exact match or any matches occur with the filter word or sentence. Click on Add More Filtering. You can add up to 20 filtering. Write down the filter word or sentence. You can add multiple words by separating them using comma. Now, write down the message for this filtering word or sentence. After that, write down the reply. If no matching found, save it. Click on OK. Let's check out how it works. Enter a comment with the filter keyword. Refresh the page. Yes, I've got the reply for the filtered keyword. Now, enter a general comment. See, we've got the no match reply as well.